This is Rashida's kitchen. I'm about to make jollof rice. Real Liberian style. I got my chicken wings, and I got my beef. It's already ready in my sardine. They're all ready. So I'm about to cook my jollof rice. I'm about to blend this, y'all. See how beautiful it look in there? I did this off camera, y'all. I seasoned the chicken with salt, pepper, and onion powder. And I'm about to fry it. And then this is the meat, the beef. This is 1 pound, y'all. I already cook it off camera and then cut it. That's it. And this is the paste I was making for the rice. Look at how beautiful it is. I'm ready to cook my rice now. Look at the end and the finished result of all of them. Look at how beautiful they are. This is parboiled rice. I'm about to wash them. I will do that off camera. These are the spices that I'm doing for the jollof rice. Spice number 1. This is crevette and chicken up. We always know that one. And this is jollof rice. Jollof rice. And this is accent. And this is ginger. I love the taste in my food. So these are all what I'll be using. I've been making plantain on the side for the jollof rice. So I'm gonna put this on the plate so you guys watch and see. Plantain is just like banana, big banana.